The clerk baby's just arrived.
Fish.
I pee in the body.
You're such a good boy. Come on, you want to open presents?
Yeah. I'll put this back.
Because Santa came to Aunt Bee's and Uncle Todd's. There's 2 in the closet that belong to them. And you can get no, that's not yours. Yours are over there in the floor. And they're in the kids' closet. That's Charlie's.
Here you go. Here you go, Daddy. And this one is mine.
That one's yours?
Yeah.
Are you going to open it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need help.
You need help? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Wait a minute. Look, here. There you go. Now rip it open.
What do you think of this, Charlie?
What is it?
Doesn't this go?
What is it?
Yeah, I'm glad to see you.
What are those? Heeds. What are these?
Cars.
No. What's that? Well, yeah, it's cars, but what's that say right there?
What's that?
Books.
Look.
Books.
Here.
It's a doodle.
Who's watching the kids?
They'll be in bed asleep with Uncle Todd. Oh, I can't find her hair bow. Her hair bow is so cute.
What'd you?
I can't find it.